How to use other people's knowledge garden on Flowith in less than 5 minutes. So Flowith has an extensive catalog of knowledge gardens that are created by people. You yourself can also create a knowledge garden. So today I just want to show you how you can use other people's knowledge garden, the flow, and even maybe how these people make money from it. Maybe that can also help you cook or something that you can share with people. Okay, so from the main page, if you click on explore more, you would see all the knowledge gardens that other people have created. There's literally a knowledge market. And this is an extensive catalog, and I think they say it contains creators have earned over $1,000 from sharing. So this is also a way for people to earn money. So you can also make money from this. So this is an extensive catalog of knowledge gardens created by other people in the community. And you can see we have things from engineering to DeepSeek to product think tank. And I think my favorite one out of all this is the Paul Graham's essay. So I'm just going to click on this, and it's free. You can see right here that this is free, and this costs about $2.99 to use. This costs less than a cent. This one is also free, but let's look at the free ones for today. And this is a catalog, is a knowledge garden of Paul Graham's essays. If you are a founder or you are in tech world, you might know that Paul Graham is a very big whale in association with YC. This is one knowledge garden that I think I would use. So how is this page structured? So once you come here, you see the creators here. You see statistics about people using it and the sources. So sources are like how many individual seeds. What exactly is the size of this knowledge garden? This knowledge base imports hundreds of blog posts written by PG over the past 20 years. Hundreds, like he gathered all the blogs and fed it into this little monster machine right here. So once you're comfortable with it, you can try it right from here. It even gives you prompts that you can test. And one thing that you can also see is you can compare what the response with this knowledge base is going to do compared to if you just send this to a bare LLM. So for example, we're just going to click how to build an AI startup in 2025. So we're going to see two answers, one from LLM that has context of this knowledge base and one from just, random send a request to ChatGPT. So both of them are answering, and we're going to see the answers. While they're doing that, let's go down where you can see a preview of the knowledge base of the things he has added. And I think he split it into seeds with the concept of Flowith. Also some guidance from the person, and you can also leave comments. Oh yeah, another important thing is that you can add this knowledge garden, this particular knowledge base, to your own knowledge garden. You don't have to always come here to use it. Once you add it to your knowledge garden, you can always use it in any of your interactions with the AI. Okay, so we have the standard AI. It's complete. Building a successful AI startup in 2025 involves several key steps. Identify a problem to solve, assemble a strong team, develop a minimum viable product. Okay, this is generic. This has no context of real life, of what Paul Graham is saying. And maybe it has some context of real life because these are generated from things that people have shared on the internet and, all the data they've used to train the LLM. However, this is generic. On the other end, we have the one that is created using the essays that Paul Graham's PG has written over the span of 20 years. So let's see. Based on the provided knowledge base, you see the first one is just saying building a successful AI startup in 2025. And this one is basing it on the provided knowledge base. Build a successful AI startup in 2025. So you see foundational team and technical expertise, avoid business people first. Yes, you see all the amazing things that you find in PG's posts. You can see it here. Company structure and legal considerations, fundraising and investor relations. Honestly, this looks like something I should probably copy and keep. Right? This is interesting. I really love the fact that you can compare them right from this kind of marketplace because it operates like a marketplace. And if we go out and let's try one that is paid, I think I can try this one. So this one is created by Will Thian. You can see that here. You can click and check his website and all. And it is YC Startup Investments Archive. So let's see what it fed it. It has the detailed profiles of Y-backed startups by YC, multiple badges, and founders will probably want to use this. Students learning about contemporary entrepreneurship, just basic description of what you are trying to sell. Then also, once again, a place to try it, but you can sell. So people are making money from this. So you can decide to make money from here and use a one-time purchase. So if I click this, it's probably going to take me to Stripe. Okay. Yes, we are at Stripe. So what will you do with this? This is how you can make money online, create a knowledge garden, create a knowledge base, allow people to share, and also use your knowledge base because you've made it easier for them to provide context, or you yourself can just have this as a way to share context with friends. Okay. I think this is an amazing piece of innovation, especially around their infinite agent. I'll be looking forward to what you do with this. And until next time, Harry Core. Cheers.